Welcome to Super Global Host. In this video, we will show you how to properly open the software and log in without any problems. First, open Google Chrome or any internet browser on your computer. Next, go to the top of the browser where you see the address bar. Now, carefully type or paste the full software link into the address bar and press Enter on your keyboard. When the login page opens, you will see the email and password fields. Please remember, if you type or paste the link into the middle search box of the browser, the software will not open correctly. You must always enter the link in the top address bar of the browser. In the email field, copy and paste the exact email that was provided to you. Do not add at gmail.com or any other text. Only use the exact email given to you. In the password field, copy and paste or type the password carefully. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the password. Leave a small gap between the email and password fields, and then click Login. After logging in successfully, you will see the system menu. If the system language is English, the menu will appear on the left side. If the system language is Arabic, the menu will appear on the right side. Now, to make it easier to open the software next time, you can create a shortcut on your computer. To do this, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser. From the drop-down menu, click on Cast, Save, and Share, and then click on Create Shortcut. This will create a shortcut icon on your desktop, so next time you can open the software with just one click.